I try collecting busted lead valve and trying to open the plastic here. This is exactly look like when you open when you remove the plastic, and this is heavy. And trying to open this one using our pliers. And this is exactly look like the cover. The aluminum is too heavy, and transformer here containing copper, and the outer shell here is aluminum. Very nice. And here is the smaller type, and as you can see, we try to zoom the gold wire bonding inside here. As you can see, let's see in a closer. The tiny one here is a gold wire bonding. So I collect more of this and we'll proceed for gold recovery.